Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into a cutting-edge gaming monitor that promises to redefine your gaming experience. Introducing the MSI MPG 271QRX, a 27-inch QD OLED display packed with features that every gamer dreams of. Let's start with what makes this monitor stand out. The MSI MPG 271QRX boasts a 1440p resolution on a QD OLED panel, delivering unparalleled image quality with vibrant colors and deep blacks. It's not just about looks though. With a staggering 360Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time. It's geared towards serious esports performance. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty or immersing yourself in visually stunning worlds like Cyberpunk 2077. The MPG 271QRX handles it all effortlessly. The adaptive sync technology ensures smooth gameplay without tearing, while the HDR support elevates visual fidelity to new heights. Design-wise, MSI has nailed it with a sleek, ergonomic build that offers versatile positioning options, including portrait mode. The thin bezels and customizable RGB lighting add a touch of gamer flair without being overly flashy. Ports are plentiful, with options for DisplayPort, HDMI, USB-C, and more, catering to multi-device setups seamlessly. What really sets the MPG 271QRX apart are its advanced features. From MSI's OLED Care 2.0 for preventing screen burn-in to gaming intelligence. Features like smart crosshair overlays and AI-enhanced visuals, this monitor goes beyond just display quality. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a premium gaming monitor that delivers on both performance and features, the MSI MPG 271QRX is hard to beat. While it comes at a premium price, the investment in top-tier image quality, esports-ready performance, and extensive feature set is well justified for serious gamers. That wraps up our overview of the MSI MPG 271QRX. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. Stay tuned to Product Critique for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching.